Right now, it's cheaper to have an intact dog than an altered one until you end up with medical issues. You can nudge people to spay and neuter, for example, with the free spays and neuters we offer on reclaims. Another one is a licensing program where there's a differential fee for intact and altered animals. So where an animal that's not spayed or neutered might cost $50 a year to license, and an animal that is spayed and neutered and microchipped might be free. And that's not going to force anyone to spay or neuter. And you're not going to have everyone rush on the same day to get it done. Instead, what you're going to see is that the people who are not breeding intentionally for profit are going to opt into spay neuter, and it once again makes those intentional breeders more obvious in the community.